Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gang. Slow it down. Bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Wow.
Hey, welcome to Diana's channel.
Alright guys, what's up? It's Diana. I'm back with another video. This is my brother Dustin, and he thinks that we've started already.
Started what? I just want someone to breathe in my ear, bro.
What? Alright. What's up guys? I'm back with another video. This is my brother Dustin. We're doing a challenge video. Guess the chicken
Restart.
nuggets.
That was too fast. Do it again.
Dustin, shut up.
On 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we both go?
Yeah.
Alright, I can't. I don't know when you're going to count to 3 because I can't see.
I'm gonna say it, dumbass.
It wasn't fucking recording the whole time.
No!
Alright, welcome back to Diana's channel. We got another video for you. Yeah, it's a challenge. Oh, yes, we're eating fucking chicken nuggets. Oh, sorry, bleep that out.
You already said. Alright, so pretty much what's gonna happen is it's a challenge video. We gotta guess the chicken nuggets. We got 3 different chicken nuggets from 3 different fast food restaurants. McDonald's.
I can't tell what you're pointing at. Wendy's.
Very
Was that in order?
No. So my sister-in-law is behind the camera.
Hi.
She's gonna be switching up the chicken nugget, sticking it in front of our faces when we're blindfolded. Also, she's gonna be asking us get to know each other questions. We gotta know what the answer is.
I just don't know her.
You don't know my favorite color. Exactly.
Pink.
Oh.
Represent, baby.
Pretty much whoever at the end of this challenge has more points wins. Whoever has less points loses. Whoever loses gets a consequence.
Oh my god, what was that? That's the consequence? Oh, I'm definitely not losing.
Most
bro.
wildest YouTube
Bro,
video.
I ain't losing. I'm gonna fuck you up. I don't want to lose because I don't want to get tased. No. I want to fuck you up with that taser. That's why I want to win. That is why.
That's our consequence.
I'm gonna win. I'm telling you right now. Yo, listen, YouTube. Tell me.
I got 4 chicken nuggets from each restaurant. Wendy's is like real chicken nuggets apparently, and they the cheapest ones. They the cheapest ones.
It's fast food for a reason. It's fake. I'm
Let's
glad
just
it
get
did
started
work.
with this video.
Oh yes, we gonna get fat. Let's go.
Black Ops.
What is Diana's biggest pet peeve?
Damn, I thought I was gonna eat a nugget first. Alright, what the fuck?
No, don't be telling him. Wait, go away. Who are you?
Wet hands.
Nah, she cheated, yo.
What?
Ooh!
She
What I win?
cheated, yo. Don't be
Diana, what is Dustin's favorite color?
telling- Green, nigga.
Alright. Alright.
Me, you didn't.
I didn't know.
Because I know you. I'm talking about you change.
Chicken nugget, get it.
McDonald's.
Who's McDonald's?
I want my pepper. I'm good.
No, it's not who says it first, nigga.
My fault. I want the whole damn thing. I'm good.
It's McDonald's. McDonald's off.
Dustin, what is Diana's dream job?
Veterinarian.
No.
When the fuck did you change that shit?
No, they didn't change it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
You grew up saying you were going to be a veterinarian.
Yeah.
That's not my dream job, though.
Yeah, it
No, it isn't.
I give
You know what
up.
my dream job is?
Huh.
To own my own pit bull farm.
Oh my fucking god. Yeah, that's why it's a
my
dream.
job.
That's why it's a dream. That's
That's
way too much
hurtful.
shit. Why don't you just be a vet?
You're an asshole.
Diana, what year was your brother born in?
That's my question?
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
Are you kidding me?
is. No, she's not.
1998.
Yeah.
1998.
All right.
Yeah, she got it.
Alright,
You
here
may
we go.
eat.
Oh my god, it tastes like a Tyson nugget.
1, 2, 3.
Wendy's.
Wendy's.
It tastes like shit. Oh my god.
What was Dustin's football number?
21. No.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Oh.
19. 35.
Oh, it's the worst. Oh my god. It's number 10.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it is. Diana got that wrong.
What was the name of the cheer team Diana was on for her last year?
See, y'all get very specific with her fucking questions, but hold on, was it last year?
The last year.
Last year.
Bulldogs. Give me that question. Wow.
Okay. No, okay, I got one more question.
Oh my god.
One more question. What team was I on when I won my
Saints.
first? No, when I won my first place champions. What team was that?
Ooh, they were light blue and light blue. Ooh, Lions.
Panthers, bitch.
You guys want to know something?
What's that?
It hasn't been recording.
Oh my god!
You want to know something else? I'm just kidding.
Got him!
All right, Dustin, go to your field to your right. All right, Diana, go.
Left.
This is a McDonald's chicken nugget.
When they're cold, you can't tell, can you?
I know what it is. Can I say it?
I have a McDonald's chicken nugget.
All right, Dustin, what do you
I
have?
got BK guns.
Who?
What?
BK.
Oh.
That shit tastes too peppery.
Wrong.
Was I right?
What was that one?
You ate a Wendy's, she had a McDonald's.
That is so dirty. That is dirty. You knew I hated that nugget and you gave me another. And I ate the whole motherfucking thing.
Yeah, it's all apparently you didn't hate that much.
I ain't gonna lie, that one tasted pretty damn good. Low key, I need a drink though.
Dustin, why is your girlfriend picking her nose?
I'm going like this. Dustin, what is Diana's favorite pet's name?
How in the world am I? Nah, I asked for a retake. I don't want that one.
No, you have to answer it.
Nah, bro, you gotta give me at
You
least
have to
like another
answer
one.
it.
Bro, how the hell am I supposed to know about
You have to answer
Chino?
No.
it.
Why'd you think about it? Because I was right. You just changed it in your head just now.
You were not
Spit
right.
on me.
I don't give a damn. How about that? Uh-huh. You can't have nice, pretty things all the time.
What?
What are you talking about?
Give me my nugget.
You got the question wrong.
Diana, what size shoe did your brother wear?
This nigga,
I don't even know that.
9, 8.5.
What?
Negative.
You can't go 9, 8.5. What? That doesn't even make sense.
First of all, I am like
9.
5'7". That foot is too big.
Ow! What the?
So you're 8, 8.5.
Why are you guessing? You lost. Don't even try now.
Don't even try, because I said 8.5 too.
What
You're
size
an
am I?
8.
You
Could
got
be an
small
8.5.
feet. You short. Can you all shut up? I'm making a video.
Yo, babe, what size shoe am I?
9.
Ooh.
That surprised me.
So I was right?
And you figured.
There's a chicken nugget.
Fucked up.
I don't fucking know.
Hold on.
BK.
Wendy's.
No.
Ah.
Dustin's right.
No wonder I taste like shit.
Diana, what day and time was Dustin's daughter born?
Oh, mother trucking horse. If I'm close, does that count?
No.
I don't even know that.
She was
Give up.
born on September 7th.
Don't even try.
Okay.
Don't even
She was
try.
born around 11.
Nope. I knew that part.
11.
Then what time, Dustin?
10:05.
Alright. Dustin, what is Diana's favorite curse word?
I don't know that. Bitch. Fuck.
Alright, eat your nugget.
That's a weird ass smell.
I can't eat no more nuggets without no sauce.
Too bad. Chicken butt.
Mine's McDonald's.
Mine's Wendy's.
Yeah.
I feel so bad for you.
I love Wendy's.
What is Dustin's favorite food?
Oh, I don't know that. Oh, bread and steak.
Dustin, what is Diana's favorite food?
Ooh.
Hard question.
Ooh.
I feel
I
like
don't
I
know
know
she
what
eats
it
a
is.
lot.
He's gonna be fat.
Nah, you're saying you eat a lot. Turkey?
Hot wings, bitch.
Chicken wings. Chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Can I just get tased already?
Alright, we can do that.
I lost.
Alright, let's do that.
Alright, let's just taste them. You get things.
Alright.
Like?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Gotcha, bitch!
And that's the
I
end.
hope you guys like this video. This video is all over the place. It is what it is. It's whatever. Go ahead, give her a like, give her a subscribe. That's my brother Justin. And he's
Hey.
gonna be in more videos.
Like it, subscribe it.
Like
Play
and subscribe
yourself.
it, fuck it.